how to clear Google Assistant activity history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to clear your Google Assistant activity history. For that, you'll need to head over to settings and then scroll down, go to Google, go to all services, scroll down, and then go to search assistant and voice. Now scroll down and then go to Google Assistant. Now scroll down again and scroll until you find your data in the assistant. Tap on it, scroll down, and it will show your assistant activity. Tap on it and then it will show all of what you have searched with the Google Assistant voice. So tap on the delete icon on the right hand side and then you can tap on delete all time and tap on delete. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.